Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to the channel. In today's part 2 video tutorial of our sketching, we are just going to go over the drawing of some basic shapes as well as lines. So the first thing you want to start off with is to simply draw a square. Now remember, everything is done freehand, so we won't be using a ruler. And the trick to do this is to lift the pencil after each stroke. So what I mean is we are not going to make the square as such where the pencil is not lifting off the page, but rather individual strokes. So you'd go down, lift the pencil, go across, lift the pencil, go down, and finally go across again. And this just gives us a more appropriate looking square and gives us better control of the shape. Okay, you can now do the same thing, but we're going to draw a triangle. So same thing, freehand, you lift the pencil, we go across, lift the pencil, and we come down. Now remember, these things don't have to be perfect, as we are just getting used to sketching and drawing the basic shapes. And then for the circle, you're just going to make sort of a shape, but very lightly. You're just going to continue sketching it around and around, and this is just to get the hand movement used to drawing circles. So it doesn't have to be perfect, as long as we get used to the circular motions made by the wrist. Okay, and now we are just going to practice the drawing of lines. So you're going to start at the top of the page, and freehand you are just going to draw a line straight down. And then we're going to repeat this until the end of the page. Okay, so remember, everything is done freehand, so it does not need to be perfect. Next up, we are just going to draw curved lines. So at the top again, you're just going to make a curved line, and we're going to follow this pattern straight through. Okay, there you go. And then for the final part of this tutorial, we are just going to draw your zigzag lines. So for zigzag, will look something like this. And again, you follow the pattern through. Okay, and then for the actual final part, we are going to just get used to drawing curves. So sort of like a U shape, or an N or upside down U. We are just going to get used to drawing these lines. Okay, so that's it for this tutorial. Good luck practicing. Remember, it is just beginning stages, so get used to working with your pencil, get used to drawing different types of lines and shapes, because remember, every image is basically a combination of different kinds of lines and shapes. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.